Episode 4, hi, Ghana TV Gate, like, a comment, subscribe, turning on notification.
For villages or central region. Agona East one about Felix for Kwakye new constituency later day. This the man are Raven widen. Why? The man's na you who be or NDC for an abroad. And they were even insulting a nanado no nye na WCC. Nature so also no okay the doctor mam Nana Danko Kufaraden on declare state of emergency and up to now Yashi Nima down and come poor but power and Kubutu we declare state of emergency. She Galam say name Yanka de Galam say no bia and yet Galam say you them paying for the baby where Galam say no. By why they on NDC for about power no Galam say sister why extend it shouldn't that Galam say na a waste.
Yeah.
Why waste to call any money? Even ever central agencies have been mommy way. You use you. And I pay
More their survival. And here for Mumono to say, Mono, yeah, more their survival. Oh,
this year, right? And I pay them got toy into such as one.
oh,
Into such as one, a Michim. Because I pay one baby and to me, so I'm using half of the water is in 15 pieces. Make sure you go and the medical jar. And then resume you see 15 pieces. Me a bear man, just imagine some more ma. Me na can't be into sometimes if you are speaking me central region, then I may use fancy. Music fancy, me the castle loud, MIP for no. And it's like the support that other people let me use that as an example, like Ashanti region, let me use my brother a fancy comedy and my mom Sister Kisu and you see them the way they are getting support from on the Omo Ashanti region and your central region. But when you go and say like this situation, this will they'll be like no Omo Kasa. One of I got support from that above Ashanti region. Oh, I got support from that place by to central region. One of my friend came and say he started this I say Omo Kasa no. We are speaking loud. Me perceive ya by Monday, Tuesday. Me man ka Tuesday for demonstration on Mokwan. I'm there by Ejuma Samiti. By me bomb body ako. Agona East one. Near Marco shed the echoes of the it seems like NDC for one year a buyer or say and Kairi. This is almost they are destroying everything. And Janana, a Nicromonum, and what me on the constituency. You're the vice president, no. Obe be a vice president this year. New crew, new class one. Or mean to me a man, you mean so ma or your buying mother, but what to me be a vice president. Sister woman or buying ma. A ugu no crew, a quite room. Come and see my town down here. A quite now say poto. Or mean to me and Casa because of she being the vice president in tea. Or moku guna quite in tea. Yɛka KE constituency and it's our late Professor Atamis ne near Benman Prof A Samuel Atamis. Oh ye MP with the MP 2 good years. About a MP people have been your common jaws my buying the power. This is one by now.
The 1 minute not one way, why?
Okay, one by now power now, so we shall maybe be a custom. I did intimate the main person be concluding and say we person me pese ye be blame you obia ye blame ye ayenwa ye blame
eyi bia nem esen bia nem tentimi nka eno aho ono mas na seti na me e ma reho e ma ye bebre se MPP from panyimfo ne te ho because me hu se obi kwampo akọ platform bi so akọka se fa ne se LGBTQ o na dia na mo ye wo galamse no hwe the way asam jemfi mo kasa afa galamse ho na sa gentility na yenya fairness too gentle na ye kono in the diplomatic way no we bar off we have to go off they say magana for who say na eye ngalam say na aside e fa ni say na e wo effect mo ye nyina ye so and na wo to aduane a wonni be aduane ni free sign na afa da bia hwenansen enkra e wo mu na blemish bibria bem e den na ye kan inti mo obi an trusting yes galamsey na say be politics we should go beyond the politics and talk about the galamsey because the bra galamsey no e best say yen e pen say nchimba ni eyi nyina And as Sarah from our Casano, Sarah from Monsu Suman attention or pay attention, and looking at Madame, just forget about him, and then where he allies. That I say, or NBC, Unti, Unkaden, a Obi, Obi, now would they Yajana, Okoko chair, health minister. Eh? And a Coco no child minister. When then Yajuma, Kevin Taylor, or buy and then on the and on one Kevin Taylor, the Bianca, away, baby, or Ghana could do ya and pay for Mutim Mano. If the protection money back could now come on yet. A person NDC, Papa Coco Jan, Cassin Caber by election. O John, in the glance of the Pamacho, going to some more massa. Sir, Ralph, attention. We can say our minds without use of there, but in Suma, Sir Ralph, attention. Then I joined the man in Mahama. I was so to declare state of emergency and maybe a baby, a movie at the Moses I echo a moment. Say, so yana, I said, Obia to me, Madame Massey.
Okay, Miss Medasi. We mesre, more US, no, NPP from US. They say, John the man in Mahama, New York. One team organizer and be and found. Mamma Martin Mechiao. Montima organizer and ye be and for Chenka Mutim organizing am ye BB. Maybe we are seeing who dear Cosso. Yes, your friends say Tuesday demonstration at Bekoi. Come on the new big Kakanam de Shi and Namade down says to Kakray, the Asian man who has we are saying,
yes, coming back to the five is Resource Geological Service Department more. Prioritize geological investigations. And almost about some cars on use AI. AI, geofencing, GPS tracking of excavators to locate and monitor small-scale mining. We will share. I know say Jambomo also say manifesto rights and then my professor be will go so and so because AI bay who's use geofencing. Let's have go so if
okay, I go if you one of the things on my I mean tracking of these
tracking day.
Your friend is saying machines on the bay.
Machine on my track. What is the data on it? What is the data on it? Machine bay on track hang. Almost machines on modern comfort
DVL 4 years. They've done
the airbag on my emo. And the woman's way.
No more tracking.
Now machine bay the register said the Galamsey. Nipa no register on go is the Galamsey.
So Obana which train crack and say me fan kwa Galamsey never me the kwakwa kwan and I'm kwakwa yesi ya monitor near the amount.
Now, I'm going to call Cambeso.
It's a tracker bomb.
Ebo Ghana Ghana to quit a excavator be a trackable. Oh, Ghana excavator be a trackable. Open
no delay other ones.
And I'm just the county. The airban I said, Yawa.
They want it, they were a benina.
And to me, come Domia excavator be a trackable home. Hey, you pay this to Kemi more yes. And the AI no say AI geofencing. And no market second no more church or manifesto him. And I mean finally repeal at least very significantly amend legislative instrument LI 2462 almost on be repeal. And also we cannot update ourselves. Say has there been any repeal and can also and also banning legal and new mining activities, blah blah blah. No, set up a new gold board. Of course, gold board no. One also on mandate so on best stop galam say near it's also part of their mandate. Some of this is best stop galam say. You see, I mean that's why I'm saying that this is more academic than practical. No one more training. I say will be a also manifesto the amobi and you more church because if you look at gold board one more mandate and in actual practice what they are not fighting galamsey. If there is anything at all, one rather deepening the galamsey because right now what the gold board has done is say one more monopolize the purchasing of gold. But so almost say gold no munya na 70% if we
Is it that they've streamlined it or they've monopolized
it? No, they've monopolized it.
Now, how did they monopolize
it? I like nice debates. Nice debates. Let's even agree with them. Let's even agree with them. Let's even agree with them that they've streamlined it. You know something that we call the Cobra effect. That in your attempt to solve a problem, you end up causing more problems. Also, streamline it. But in another way, the true word is also be a turn gold the other day. amount.
Yes.
Obi ameton the gold man. Of course, I get it. The idea is on betting consolidate all the gold reserves. No on multimedia your foreign forex a foreign exchange on multimedia ama akusin ye kakra. So the they can stabilize the dollar against the cedi no money other. But is that what is happening? So gold broadcaster say ononkwa no obi owo to me so timi to gold by what you call streamlining, which in another way is monopoly. What essentially means they say what essentially means they say gold no. If I had the opportunity to sell directly to Obi or Nobel Bonting at a price, now obviously gold board will not want to lose because they also have administrative and normal also commitments, also expenses also more. Into gold no say a 10 gold board back also 29. Into this say minus 9. Now the minus then smuggles the gold. You know more so say now for unimbi ye dey o krobo of amunyan. Now the omo say they rather smuggle the gold on top of gold board view. To directly when you want farm a gold board they say crown say gold now here no you don't even get it or turn crown or turn illegally the state doesn't even get any say returns or dividends on it the cobra effect American gold board or moka ho assemblies rather may even create more problems than good but what is the conclusion is that if you look at normal moka in their manifesto as a way or more they by addressing galamsia now share so far blue water guard any afforestation so much could then to be fair to them you cannot give them more than 3% as one more performance in the fight against galamsey
under 8 to 9 months.
I mean context is very important under 8 to 9 months but assuming even without admitting say under 8 to 9 months so far even a year they supposed to perform 25% each year because they have a 4-year mandate they're supposed to perform 25% each year because they have a 4-year mandate. If you look at it within the context of 25% in there then 25% no crowd there this year you may be giving them 1% because if you look at one more commitment to no more mature in their own manifesto page 61 of our average format of their manifesto 6061 a copy 76 of the main manifesto there it's not something they've really done anything about it.
For Ghana TV GH, mesra like a comment, a subscribing, never notification also turning on so that anytime you post a video, we will start making it. I have reasons to believe, sir, there are still good people in the NDC. Yes, all is not lost for this nation. Now, the reason I'm saying, sir, there are still good people in this nation and that all is not lost, they say, Mbeka ya Endra na chairman Abronye yedi the case echo court. Na yedi case court no na lawyers no na the lawyers the main lawyer na ya Afenyo Market I am minority leader. Court no judge no wa ma Abronye ni the lawyer kwa ma omu chance omu kasampo. Do court wa na judge no say ono onfa emrano any judgment. She said laws I will on my women on finding judgment. Now the only judgment a friend saying a book story book be title no animal farm and no judge no the judgment no. Now ebusion for I said when they say since when have you started using a book either than the law of Ghana to remand people into prison custody? Now, as I say, a lot of people have been commenting about this. Now, most of the time, no, I think most of the comments that I saw, no, are from the MPP side. But Tamale North MP, oh yeah, Al Hassan Suhuyini, and also a lawyer, Obekasa, Akasa ena. The kasa emuno one missy word or see at their judge no a circuit judge no a semi okay no he feels so scandalized anyone pa just say or dream one on tiasie say who judge you're supposed to uphold the law now obiaya idea o see there be emra ya wo no nyam samra na oba use ne book bia obi tina ho chiro ye from na adwen mu no enu na book ne mu no passage sa judge no say or use Eddie remand Abronye into prison custody and say, they say, Ghana no, we are all not equal. What should I say? Asema Emrano ka say all men are equal before the Lord. Onu there be on who no sa. Onu judge no feel say nipa oye IGP no oye nipa sene ye nyina. They say obia oye government spokesperson, government appointee, and I say obia o NDC government no no. Oye nipa sene ye nyina ye Ghana for. Judge no ni reason no no. Na emi depa say we enye MPP phone kwa neka. Na NDC phone so they have joined to call out this judge are very biased or a disgrace to law and a disgrace to the rule of law. We enjoy our mind with such judges no, they are a threat and a danger to our democracy. And the earlier they are called to order, the better for this nation. Shame on to that judge. Let's listen to what Sohuyini said.